Will you please eat just one pepper?
See,
Oh,
that's
man.
why you should hang out with Charles, because you can convince that motherfucker to do
Yeah, I
some
know.
shit
He'll
like
do it. He'll do it. He'll fucking probably eat it out of Tiffany's ass.
I don't need to fucking be super impressed, you fuckers.
Brent. Say hi.
What? Huh?
Say hi.
Hi,
Huh?
what?
Hi, hi to your ass, mama.
So, how's it going?
Dory, will you please eat just one pepper?
One pepper.
One pepper.
Man.
Eat this pepper right here.
Let me get the fucking liquor out of
Frank, stop, hey! Frank, stop, hey!
This is a habanero pepper right here. We're gonna call this the habanero hot stuff challenge. Want some ranch?
I get thirsty.
Where did it go? I bet I can see the sweat.
Is it hot?
So intense, I can see it. That's the milk, dude.
Good, man.
You see how angry he was at that pepper? You see how angry he was?
You're gonna throw it, dude.
Do you imagine this is how a Jedi Knight feels after winning a battle? I'm not gonna sit in front of the sink.
Are you gonna throw up, dude?
No. Fucking give me the hiccups, man.
That's some weird ass hiccups. Like Puff the Magic Dragon hiccups. Next thing you know, fucking smoke and fire is gonna be coming out of your mouth and shit.
Oh. I'm good, man.
Oh, don't run away and
Fucking
hide.
hot?
It's so fucking hot.
Like super hot?
It's pretty hot.
Eat another one.
Do you think you can do the whole bowl?
No way.
Are you done? For
what
sure.
About the whole, what about just this one? Ooh.
I know as soon as I turn this fucker off, you're
Pepper's
gonna
supposed to
burp or
be
fucking throw up.
Fuzzy?
Oh my god.
Whoa, is your fruit
Pepper's-
still healthy?
Pepper's supposed to be fuzzy?
Hey,
Is
dude,
that
that's
just extra goodness?
yeah.
Extra goodness?
Look, there he goes for the fucking milk. I knew he would go for the fucking milk.
Hey man, you know what you gotta do? Put these with like some snap peas or something in somebody's bowl, and I'll grab one and shoot the motherfucker up by accident.
Those are
Look at
just
it.
cayenne peppers, dude. They're not that fucking hot. I'm not eating them. Try to give it to Chaos. Your heart's racing.
You think the iguana eat one?
A heart racing habanero.
You think the iguana would eat one of these?
I don't know. You can try. You wanna go try? Yeah, I know.